I am really glad you clicked on this video. Without wasting further time, let me show you the template reel first.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. This isn't over.
These premium templates takes me hours to make, so it would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. So this reel can be easily made using the VN application and the template QR code, which I will be giving you guys. I will provide 2 QR codes, one for the video and one for the text part. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, all you have to do is first, take the screenshot of this next photo. Once you have taken the screenshot, open the VN app, click on this scan icon. Then, click Media. Now select the screenshot you just took.
You're a good soldier.
Now click on this Use Template button and upload 45 best videos of yours.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle.
Now click on any video. Here you will have the option of replacing your video, adding a filter, or either crop it. If you want my premium filters, check out the link in the description box. Now click on Export. Here, select 1080p, 30 fps, and 25 bitrate. Now, export it. Similarly, take the screenshot of this photo. Open the VN app again and upload the screenshot. Select the latest video we just created. Export this final video, and that's it. It would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. See you guys in the next one.